See if we can wrestle this on here. See what I mean? Welcome back to this. More stuff on the Xterra. Because it's old and things break. My air intake, one of the flexible hoses, ripped, and it's currently covered in electrical tape. And the Amazon special. Let's open these up. All right, with my luck lately, glad to see that there's two items. There's the smaller one and the big one. It smells good too. Crushed rubber. This one's still good, but I'm going to replace it. And this one over here by the throttle body, loaded with electrical tape. I'll pop these covers off with my 10mm. Probably lose it. Get this other one off. Get the other one loose. Two more hose clamps. There we are. Yep. Let me just show you. Yeah, that doesn't do very well for extra air coming into your system. All right, tip of the day. When you're putting this little one on, put it on the big plastic piece first, and then you can connect it to the air intake. A lot easier. Rotate, and that's on there nice and good, so it's fine. And then we'll pop this other one on. There we have it. There we go. That side on, we're good. Let's see if we get this other one in. And that one's on too. All right, tighten these up and call it good. And that's nice and snug. We'll get this back in place. There we go. That part's good. All right. So there you have it. That wasn't too hard. Just a little bit of muscle trying to get those fresh hoses over the pieces you're putting them on. How's that for detail? But again, I don't know why I'm breathing so hard. Probably because it's 1,000 degrees out here in the garage, here in Arizona, and I didn't want to have the AC on. Wouldn't be able to hear me. So probably won't run much better, but at least I know I don't have to worry about those anymore. Anyway, hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.